I'm going to show you how to make a desert sunrise. We're going to start off with our ice. Go ahead and pour that into your glass, just like so. Then we're going to add to that 2 ounces of vodka. That's 1 and 2. All right. We're now going to add to this about 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Here we go. Like that. So this is essentially a screwdriver, but with pineapple juice instead of orange juice. Go ahead and shake that up. And you're going to pour this into a highball glass, just like so. Now, because this is a desert sunrise, we're going to add the sunrise effect. You're simply going to pour your grenadine into your glass right along the side, and it's going to settle at the bottom of the glass. Give this a little bit of a stir, like so. And there you have it, a beautiful desert sunrise, which, by the way, you can top with a maraschino cherry if you like. Cheers.